Hi guys, this is Lily. I am a full-time reseller on mostly Poshmark. I've been transitioning everything over to Poshmark lately just because it's easier. Um, Speaking of that, oh my gosh, this morning I got a case opened against me. It's not a case, but like a return for, I listed like, I don't know, 25, 30 pairs of shoes one day last week. And I made a mistake on a size on a pair of sandals. Even though I photographed the size tag on the shoe, I put in the listing that they were a different size, and my mistake. So I told them go ahead and return it, that it was my mistake. But dang, I guess I need to maybe not try to list that many things. I've just gotten so many Thredup boxes, shoe boxes. I had 3, plus I thrifted a bunch, and I needed to get them off the floor and into their boxes and out of my way. So I overdid it. I made a mistake. I'm human. Um, so I'm not going to be listing that many items in a day anymore because obviously I didn't do very well with that. Anyway, today I have, and spoiler, I've already opened the box. I've already looked through it. I've already listed 1 or 2 items. So I've already made my money back on the box, so the rest is just gravy. And that's with most of my Thredup boxes. I have a bad habit of pulling out the items that I think are going to sell fast and get them listed real quick, and then I put the box in the corner with the rest of the boxes, and it takes me a while to get everything else listed. So I've got enough things to probably keep me busy for a year listing, and I still have more coming. So like today I'm supposed to be getting the Coach box from Thredup and another 25 piece mixed, and then I still have another 25 piece mixed that I ordered. And my B&G trading should be here sometime this week also. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. And like I said, I've already opened it and only pulled out 2 items, and I'll tell you about those as we go further. Okay, so excuse my mess. I've been finally got my printer working with my TV computer things, making shipping a lot easier for me. So no more folding labels. Okay, so this is a Larry Levine jacket, faux fur, hood, size small. It's nice. I didn't see any flaws on it or anything. Not the right season, but I'm going to list it anyway because I don't feel like, I mean, I've sold dresses in the wintertime, and somebody might want that jacket and get it now. We'll see. And here goes the glasses. 11's. I thought this was cute. Make sure you can see that. This is, what size was this? Oh, it didn't have a size. That's right. That's why I didn't list this. I was going to try it on, and I think it's too small for me. Anyway, it is a jumpsuit. It is so cute. It's got a really nice pattern, raised pattern in it. And it's got the, oh, why do I always forget the name of this fabric? I'll remember by the time end of the video. Anyway, these are orange. I know they look red, but they're an orange color. I'd like to get the size on that because those would probably sell quick. And here is a, I guess it's Alex dress, size small. It's got some nice embroidery on the sleeves. Just a black keyhole front, if you saw that. Very boho nice. I think I looked this up and I found a few on Poshmark. It was kind of saturated, maybe 10-15. That's all I'm going to get for that. Still a cute dress. Alright, so here we have a turtleneck from the Gap. And, you know, it's cute. Not a big money maker, but it's cute. And I got a couple pairs of slacks. This is H&M size 12. Just a regular pair of slacks for work, career wear. I don't know if I looked those up or not, but and a Worthington petite, 6 petite. Another nice pair of sorry, doesn't show very well without them buttoned up. Gray work, another career pant. They seem to be in very good condition, but they're petite. I don't do well with petites. This is a Grace Elements size 6 turquoise pencil skirt. It's very cute. It's got like a saddleback. Like that. Here's another Gap. Very soft flannel looking, but it's not flannel. It's very soft. Won't get much for that. Oh, Forever Woman. With no size. So I'm guessing probably a 1X. Doesn't have a size, but I can do measurements, I guess. I don't know. When I get stuff that I have to measure and guess on the size, especially after this return I just got, I'm kind of afraid to list it, so I might just donate them. I don't know. Alright, this is called, well, it's not called Back. Let's see. Maybe it is. All the tag says is Back. I'm guessing that's the back of the pant, but it might be the name. Again, no size, but these are cute. These are actually black pants, but they have these flare and a sequin sheer over the black pants. They're really cute. I never heard of this brand, but they're cute, but no size. I don't know. Here's 212 collection, size medium. Just a nice blouse, animal print. Animal print is good. It should sell. And I did write down comps and on all this stuff, and it's a good box. Fashion to Figure, size 0. So I will have to look up their size charts because I really don't know it. This is cute. It's got that big, nice bareback opening, navy blue. I think this is Gymshark. I don't know. Is that Gymshark? Just a cute little, like, I don't know, I would say a tennis, maybe a tennis shirt. And here we have a Ralph Lauren Sport, size medium, just a, I don't know, this might be okay. Now these shorts, I think, yeah, mint vanilla, size 10. Wish they were my size, but this has a retail tag for 128. They're cute. They have this tie detail. I don't know if you can see it where it loops through the sides of the shorts. These are cute. I should have got these listed right away. Matter of fact, I will put them over there to get listed. And I really thought this was cute, but I think it's an off-brand. Let me see. Intro, size small, kind of the crushed velvet, off the shoulder. Just a shirt. And here's an Old Navy, size small, kind of a, it's 100% cotton, I think. It's got some palm trees on it. A lot of this stuff I let sit because it just takes a lot of work to list for a $15 listing that people drew you down to 10. And this is just a Forever 21 crop tank, size large. Another Forever 21 cropped pink lace. I don't know, I guess you put a tank under that. And here is a pink Victoria's Secret. I believe this is a night, their intimate night shirt, sleep shirt. I'll probably just end up keeping that for sleep in. All right, H&M, size 6. Interesting, kind of a pleated skirt. Another career piece. And About a Girl, size large, just a thin, long sleeve t-shirt, kind of southwestern pattern. And these were cute. Angie. No size. So this is another one. This cute pant though. It's a floral print. And then it's got the side. And it's gathered at the bottom. No size. So I will see if they fit me. Because again, I hate to sell things that don't have a size tag. Painted threads, size medium. It's kind of sheer, green, well, mint, sagey color actually. I don't know. Might be an Anthropology brand, I'm not sure. And here, this is cute. It's also new with tags. That's right, I could. Morocco. I think I looked this up too. Size large. And it's just a cute short sleeve, black lace dress, lined to about here. Midi. I don't know, I think I looked that one up and it wasn't. I don't remember, but it wasn't that much. And this I thought was adorable, but it was also saturated Phobia, size large. The tag is pretty worn. But this is just like a kind of a wrap. It does have sleeves, but it kind of wraps and buttons. I remember this wasn't that much, like 15 or something maybe on mine. And that's it, except for I got a men's Lululemon ABC joggers. So I pulled them out and I listed them for $105 and I got an offer for $85 and I took it. So this box is paid for and then some, so everything else is just gravy. So I'm excited. I got to get to listing. I say that in every video, but I always pull out a few things out of the box, and all of my Thredup boxes are already paid for. Either one item, I think the most it took me out of any box, and I've gotten like 7 or so. The most was 4 items listed and sold that paid for the box. So all my boxes are paid for. So I mean, I just have tons and tons of stuff still to list. That's all in my pocket from here on out. So I'm happy, and I will probably be back later today. Oh, and I did get 27 items in this box instead of 25, so that's good too. That happens a lot. I usually get it maybe 26, never under 25, but I don't know. I'm happy with the boxes. I got a few pieces in here that I'll probably just donate or give away because I don't feel like it's worth my time to list them. But for the most part, I've been happy with every box. How can I not be? I've already made my money back. So excited to get the next ones. And excited for the Coach box. That should be here today. So I will probably be back later today, but probably with a ponytail. And now I need to get to the post office and ship off some orders from the weekend. And I will see you guys later. Lily out.